guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tricelle. I am an adult doll collector and I love all things 1/6 scale, but not today. Today I'm going to be looking at mini brands home. I finally found them. I went to Target and they had some, so I got what I could, and it was only four balls left, so I purchased them. And I was looking for the Make It Mini happy hour. I could not find them. I've been having a hard time. Like, I've been struggling trying to get the mini brands or the new items when they drop. I'm always like late to the party or something like that. But at any rate, I am going to open these. I have seen these unboxed. That's why I wanted them. I even saw that they were not 1/6 scale, but I do have some Barbie extra mini minis that I got on clearance from Walmart a while ago, so I thought these would be a good scale for them, and thus I got this house that I thrifted for $1.50. I'll have the video linked in the cards if you're interested. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. And this is kind of small for the mini, but I mean, it'll do. So I'm gonna see if I can fill up this house with some things from Mini Brands Home. I mean, I don't know how much I'm gonna fill up. I only got 4 balls, but let's get into it. And I think these are so cute. It comes with a mini doll stand. Like, how cute is that? Yeah, she's barely fitting at the top. So here we have the collector's guide here, and they're broken down into sections, of course, like they always are. So we have legendary, so here we have iconic, and then there's also luxury. I really would like to get luxury. I like that lip couch. More luxury items here. Ultra rare. Looks like everything I want is going to be hard to get. Ultra rare. Rare. I like that Black & Decker drill. I have that. I would like to get that. And the iron is cute. And then here the table is rare. The chair is rare. I have a lot of rare things. And then common. I like that little shelving unit there. And then the magazines. So there you have it. That's the collector's guide. So we get 5 bags here. I'm gonna go with the largest bag first. So we have, it looks like the table here, and it's really simple and straight to the point, but there is some light assembly required. So based on the instructions, we have the little holes here. We just pop it right into here. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let's just put this here in the dining room area. And then in this bag we have looks like, oh, it's an ice tray. This is super cute. This actually might be a good little scale for 1/6 scale. I think we might be able to get away with this in a dollhouse. Tiny ice cubes. So it comes with the ice cube tray. It has the 3 pieces. Here we go, right here, and then this piece right here. So super cute. And then in our third bag we have, oh, something else I got to put together. Oh, the ironing board. This is so cute. Here are the instructions for the ironing board here. Here is the ironing board. It's really flimsy, but it folds up. And it would be cute if we got the iron, so they'll have something to iron on there. Oh, it's a tiny cheese grater. This cheese grater is so tiny. Okay. And then in the last bag we get, oh, we get a pan. And it comes in a little thing, a little packaging. So this is super cute. It's super tiny. Like, yeah, it definitely will fit the, you know, extra mini. So here are our 5 bags, and this is something definitely different, especially in here. So I'm gonna go for this one first. It feels kind of heavy too, so I don't know what it could be. So I did get the KitchenAid coffee grinder, which I'm really excited about. It looks very realistic, just the way any KitchenAid appliance would come, and with the packaging and all. And I was struggling a bit to get it out the box, but that is user error. Your situation probably will not be like this. Here are the instructions. There is some light assembly required. Here are the pieces that you need to assemble the mini appliance. And I believe this is a good scale for extra mini. Now I have assembled this, but oh my goodness, I dropped this like 3 times. Oh my gosh, and it was hard to locate, so there. Okay, let's see what we got. It says here, I got the night table. So here's the nightstand. And we'll just put this in here like this. My first double, another cheese grater. In the next bag we have a pitcher. Which is perfectly scaled for the doll. And then we have this teeny tiny little soup mug here. So let's open up here our 3rd capsule. No doubles. Oh no. Oh no, this feels different. Let's see what we got. I need to stay positive. And, oh. Okay, so I got a chair, a stool. So here is the bar stool. Here is the bar chair. I was right. Okay, bag is kind of big. Let's open it. Feels funny. I like can't even imagine what it is. Got the, oh, and it came with some fries. I got the air fryer. This is adorable. Yeah, I tried to do this, a 1/6 scale air fryer for my doll. It did not come out right. I'm gonna keep trying and let you guys know when I get it together. Oh, I have another pot. So I have a matching pot set. I think I am gonna open it. It's actually really easy to pull off. It's super cute. That top barely want to stay on, but it come with a little top here. It's so cute. And I think since I opened that one, I'm gonna go ahead and open this one too. Why not? It has a little, like this little, there you go. It's not even hard. A little cute little pan. So that's cute. Since we have a little set now. And what is this? Oh, it's an air humidifier. Oh, how cool. This is cute. Actually might be able to get away with that in our 1/6 scale world. It's like something else in here. Let's see. What is this? I think it's a lamp. Oh, it is. All right, so we got the lamp. It's pretty straight to the point, so I'm gonna put it together. What's challenging for me is the plastic is a little flimsy, so I'm finding it hard to snap the pieces in, but it could be a personal problem, like because of my nails. You guys might not have that experience, but I thought I'd let you know. And I got this from Amazon. I have my stand mixer is exactly like this, and I was trying to get it for my Barbie dolls. I'm gonna just end up having to make one myself because I can't find one to scale, but this is a good size for an extra mini. It might be a little big. This might be even 1/12 scale, but I'm gonna add it in here anyway since we have our little appliances here. So last ball. Just a little trash can. This is cute. It is a teeny tiny trash can. I think it's even tiny for our scale here, but it's cute. And I like that it's pink. And I do like that all the other, like the appliances stuff, come in realistic colors. So actually not mad at that. Oh, a double, another double. We got another table. No more doubles. This is our last bag. Oh, and we have some eggs and a carton here. Yeah, these are definitely perfectly scaled for the doll. We have some cookies. So far, I'm not really liking this one. So we have some magazines. They're plastic with stickers. The back is solid, and we have Better Homes and Garden and Real Simple. And they're really small, so I think they would definitely fit the extra mini. You probably could do with also a 1/12 size doll as well. So that was all the capsules that I had today. So I'm just going to add a few of my Barbie extra minis to this party. And I want to thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, give me a big old thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at Mama Doll Boss. And until the next time, I'll see you guys later. Have a super fantastic day. Thank you again for watching. Bye.